Welcome. Do you want to share your Google Ad account or your Google Ad Manager account with others? Then watch this video carefully. Just search Google Ad account. Then click here Google Ad. Domain https /ads.google.com. Okay, just click now. Then sign in your Google Ad account or Google Ad Manager account. Just click now. Then Google Ad account or Google Ad Manager account. Click here. Just tools and setting. Click here. Then access and security. Click here. Then plus add. Click now. First of all, your client or freelancer. Click here and paste client email or Gmail. Then admin click. Next, send invitation. All done. Okay. Thank you for watching my video. Goodbye.